Welcome back to my channel friends, Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I'm going to show you all how to make Mangalore buns. In a mixing bowl, take 2 medium-sized overripe bananas. You could use any variety of sweet ripe or overripe bananas. Mash the bananas with a potato masher. The bananas have to be mashed well and there should not be any chunks in the puree. Now add hung curd, cumin seeds, semolina, sugar, salt and baking soda. Mix everything well. I am using wheat flour and all-purpose flour. You can also use either of one. Now add both the flour and knead the dough for 4 to 5 minutes. The dough will be soft but it will be sticky, unlike the usual puri dough. Grease the top of the dough with very little oil and knead one more time. Then cover the dough with cling wrap. Let it rest for 4 to 5 hours or better overnight in the refrigerator. Now take out the fermented dough and knead it for a minute. Divide the dough into equal size small balls. I am using little oil on a rolling board. You can also use wheat flour. Take a portion of dough and roll this into medium thick size. You can also use your hands to flatten and shape the dough. Heat oil in a kadai and when it's hot, keep the flame to medium-low. Now fry the puris until they turn golden brown on both the sides. Drain it into a kitchen towel. Mangalore buns are ready to serve. You can serve it with spicy coconut chutney or tea or coffee. So friends, if you like this recipe, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.